Hi everyone. I'm trying to explain my issue, right, that I mentioned in the thread, and please help me in this one. So I'll explain you that in three different steps. The first step is I will give you the overview of scenario, right, what I have here, and the second thing is will go through the script, and in the third step, I will execute the business rule and will try to show what is the problem. Now this is a composite form, and I have shown all the page and POV dimensions so that we can know what are the combinations. So in short, both these forms, right, on the top and on the below one is having suppressed rows, so that's why it is not showing any rows. So as soon as it gets any data into that, it will start showing the rows. So based on some condition, right, this row should go down, should be copied to another form that is on the below. That's simple. And that condition is based on another form that is here, right? So that uh, business rule will see if there is one, right, in this form against this name, against this designation, right? If there is one against this name and this designation, then it will copy the row to the below form. Otherwise, it should give error. So let's have a look on script. So these are the fixes, right? Fix 1, fix 2. Like I just divided it into two different fixes, rather three different fixes. So these are all the accounts that we have in the column, right, that are to be copied. Then this is another script, right? If condition for the return, it's working fine, right? There is no problem in this one. So this is a script that we are going to discuss, right? If we see, if this combination, right, this combination is referring to the form where we saw that one. I'll go again. This form is this that if condition is referring to this form, right? If it's saying, sorry, if there is one, right, then it should copy from the upper form to the lower form, right? Else, if there is no one, right, then it should return the error, right? So this is the script we're gonna check. Uh, Now I right click here. I Let me reopen it. Yes, now I right click here, deploy resource, deploy to existing resource. So kind of we are copying it to the below form, right? Now here I have to give the name of employee. So yes. Now if I say Abdul Hadi, right? If now against there we have already input one as digit, so this condition should pass, right? When I say launch, but it gave me error. Selected employee does not fall in relevant grade. So in this script, so this is the message that we received. It means that this script, this condition was not passed. It was failed. That's why it gave the error. But we see, meanwhile, if we click OK and we refresh the form, so we see that the data has been copied to the below form, right? It's read only because there was one there, right? That's why it copied the data here, but at the same time it's giving error. That I don't understand, right? Either it should copy the data because of this, if not, only then it should give this error. Now now we do one more thing just to confirm that this condition works properly. So I just delete it and then copy this script just copy it here. So we are removing uh, that return condition, return error. Now what I'm showing is I will give a wrong employee, and let's see whether it's get added or not, just to show you that this condition is working fine. Deployed. Now we try to deploy. Let's say we try to we remove this deployment and we try to deploy it again with the wrong name. Right now it's again back to the original condition. Deploy not with Abdul Hadi, with some other name. Abdul. So let's see the name from here. So let's see with Abdul Malik, right? So Abdul Malik. Now we are trying to deploy some employee from 1110, right? From here, 110. Sorry. So this is 110. So because in this 110 designation we don't have Abdul Malik. The Abdul Malik is in 121. Deploy. So in 110 we say Abdul Malik. Right. We launch. The rule goes successful because there is no error message, but still it did not add anything below, right? Because there was no one against that combination. Now we run this rule again with Abdul Hadi. Sorry, it hanged. Yes. So just deploy it again. Okay, now we deploy it with Abdul Hadi. So it copied that row. It means that the condition is fine, right? When we add the return function with that, it still copies that the first condition is passed, but it also reads the second condition. That I don't understand. I would really appreciate your help. Thank you. Thanks.